Hi, my name is Dina, and this is my bird Maxie. And we have a message today. I've been wanting to hang these flyers, and they won't let me hang them. Well, this is this is one of my cats. This is Muffin, and Muffin's lost. I don't know if someone has them, or and there's my phone number. Yes, I'm offering a reward for the safe return of Muffin. So please, if you've seen Muffin or you have him, his color's a little bit lighter than that. I've made it darker so when I hang up flyers, it won't fade from the sun. So Maxie and I would like to say, please bring Muffin home to me, to us. Maxie, how's the doggy go? How's the doggy go? She, that's it. That's it. Thank you very much.